In this video, I will show you how much Rainman Rays Repairs makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. He created his channel since January 21, 2013. He has 537,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 1,041 videos. And now let's go over Rainman Rays Repairs channel analytics. This is statistics views for Rainman Rays Repairs channel. Daily views, 159,400 views. Weekly views, 1,115,000 views. Monthly views, 4,782,000 views. Total views, 290,987,000 views. Next, videos performance on Rainman Rays Repairs channel. This is the latest videos for Rainman Rays Repairs channel. This video has gotten 56,000 views and 86,000 views. The estimated income Rainman Rays Repairs with the latest videos, $224 and $344 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Rainman Rays Repairs channel. This video has gotten 5,800,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Rainman Rays Repairs with the most popular video, $23,200 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Rainman Rays Repairs makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Rainman Rays Repairs channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $19,000. Estimated yearly earnings, $229,000. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Rainman Rays Repairs channel, $1,163,948.